how to make a game pass on Roblox. This includes all your mobile devices and on your computer. Whether you're making a game or you just want to donate to somebody, like please donate. Making a game pass can seem confusing, but it's a lot more simpler than you think. And that's if you watch his full video without skipping. Even if you try skip ahead for a few seconds, I guarantee you will miss something important that I say. Then you will end up like this guy. Yeah. Don't be like him. This story began when I was trying to play Please Donate, and they actually ask you to make a game pass. I had no idea how to do it, but luckily I now know. So I was once in your shoes, but don't worry because I am going to tell you how to do it. But very quickly, are you broke on Roblox? Well, I'm giving out Robux to people like you. All I have to do is enter in your username here. So if you do want some, leave a like and sub and drop your Roblox usernames. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so I am on my Roblox homepage. I will also show you how to do it on mobile, like in between the video, just so everybody can watch. So firstly, what you want to do is go ahead right here and press create. For mobile users, all you have to do is just press onto more and then find the create button. It should look a bit like this, and your games are actually something to do with it. Now you might be thinking, wait, hang on, I don't have a game. Believe it or not, everybody actually has a game. This is some random person I found, and as you see right here, experiences, and then it will just look something like this, like their name and their place, and you will be creating your game pass in that game. So what you want to do is go ahead right here and then just go onto the game that appears and just press on it and then press manage experience. For mobile users, it's literally the same process. From here, you will get a bunch of confusing text that you might not really understand. And for mobile users, all you have to do is just press on the three lines at the top left, and then they should all appear. So what you want to do is just scroll down until you go to the monetize area, and out of all of these, what you want to do is simply press passes. Now you are not done yet even after you do this. So obviously what you want to do is go ahead and create a pass. So obviously your name, you can have anything for the game pass, anything for the description, and you can also add an image. Obviously you don't have to add an image, but make sure it's something that doesn't violate Roblox's terms of service. Like I tried to upload a picture of my friend and I literally got a warning for it. Now you are actually not done yet. So obviously what you want to do is go ahead and press create pass, but what you want to do is just back out of that area and then go back onto passes if it's not done that already. Press back onto the game pass and then go onto sales. For mobile users, all you have to do again is just press the three lines and it should say sales right there. From here, what you want to do is go ahead and put your item on sale and then of course name a price. Simply press save changes just like that. And yeah, you've learned on how to make a game pass in Roblox.